back to the channel, and in today's episode here with the soup once again, we got a few modifications in. We're gonna be replacing the driver side mirror and the passenger mirror, so basically both mirrors. So we got the product over here. These are brand new. Luckily we could get them brand new off the market parts. They're not OEM, but it will do the job. We're just gonna do a quick unboxing and then we will show you how we do the thing. It's pretty simple. It's just 3 10mm nuts and then it's pretty much plug and play. So I'm gonna unbox this for you guys just so you guys can see. Let's just take out the packaging. So there we go. That's how it looks. The 10mm sits here, and then this is just to adjust the mirror from the inside of the car. Pretty basic. Okay guys, so this is the mirror passenger side, and as you can see it is damaged here. They are slightly faded. The mirror itself, there's nothing wrong with it, it's just the housing, and that's how we got the car. There is like this plastic glue putty type thing holding it in on the one side, so basically we're just gonna replace them. And we did manage to get a good deal at a good shop. We'll link the stuff down below. Okay guys, so basically apparently just behind this thing is a 10 mils. This thing you can use like a pry bar or something, but it's really just simple. There's like one push clip type style thing that holds it in. I'll show you now. Just gonna pop it off, pops right off, and there we go 1 2 3, and like I was saying, the back of the clip, that's it. So it's pretty simple guys. Just 1 2 and 3 right over there. Put your 10 mil on, make sure it's in loosen, and then you're just gonna crack the bolts loose. Obviously we are gonna make sure somebody's on the other side to hold this, just in case you guys think. And then obviously when you do this, please try not to drop it inside the door panel. Even though the new ones do come with nuts, it may just make this rattling noise while you drive. Maybe slightly annoying. That's my little 2 cents on it. Oh, there we go. Should pull right out. And that's the end of a broken mirror guys. Okay guys, so this thing is like really dirty and the owner has OCD, so they're gonna clean it out quickly before we install the new mirrors. So yeah, just some cleaning videos if you guys are interested. Okay, so that's it all cleaned up. It actually looks a lot better though. So we're practically just gonna fit the new mirror, which is lying down in this box. Let me just grab it out here. Anyways, this is, you know what, I'm gonna give this thing to the cameraman and he can just take it from there. So this is the new mirror. Comes with a new rubber on here to like make sure that there's a waterproof seal contact. Comes with these, they just pull right off, and then I think we're gonna have to take this off just to loosen these bolts up, and then you can obviously keep them safe. Just take this off, put this back on. Oh, I was put it on the right way. Okay, and then just push that in. On the inside there is like these things over here. Just try and make sure they line up, and then it should hold the rubber in place so it doesn't go anywhere or shift around while you're trying to set the mirror on. Okay, I think we got all of them, or most of them. So we're just gonna push it in. Just make sure the 3 holes line up. Okay, once it lines up, just come from the inside. I'm just gonna tie one by hand just to hold the mirror in so it doesn't fall, and then we can open the door. Okay, I'm just gonna put all on just in case, and tie it down. And then I do not have a torque wrench with me at the moment to torque it down to spec, but yeah, that's pretty basic. So as you guys can see, it looks a lot better. And then 3 bolts here, and then we're just gonna tie it down. Psych!
1 eternity later.
Okay guys, welcome back. We took a short break on busy brainstorming here. So basically when you line the mirror up, this section over here is definitely in the way and we can't adjust the mirror. It can bolt in, but it won't be able to adjust the mirror completely. It limits it completely. So our options is either move this down, re-drill the holes, which is not looking very good, or keep the original holes and then we just take a grinder or a drill bit and we drill this piece out here. That's just a few millimeters and then it should fit right in. And then what I'd recommend is once this is all shaved out, you either put some clear coat on there or some nail polish or something just to prevent it from rusting. That's pretty much it. Yeah. Okay guys, we're back. We took a minute to reflect on why this mirror don't work. So basically we're just gonna trim this piece out using this butt thingy. Okay, so we're gonna get somebody to hold the door. Okay, and then we're just gonna slowly cut this door.
A few moments later.
Guys,
What?
the moment of truth. We're about to stick it in. Let's first make sure there's a rubber. You guys want to make sure the rubber is sealed properly.
Need some protection.
What did he say?
Anyways, don't forget your bismillah, Owens. And oh, finally, after reflecting, she's in.
What did he say?
Okay.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so basically the mirror is on now, and it is pretty much done. Put the cover back, tighten all 3 bolts up, and then it's sorted. So okay, so basically same thing on the side. Just gonna come here, pop this clip off, just if it wants to pop off. Okay, there we go. This guy just slid the clip off, which that works. Again, same thing this side. Remove your 10 millimeters, have somebody on that side hold it, remove it, push a new one through. Obviously looks like we're gonna have to cut the side again, same as the other side, which we'll show a little bit more in depth now.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, so basically we've marked it up. The other side is marked up. We're gonna just take the drill and then drill this piece, or kind of cut through this, just so it lines up type of thing, and then it should be done. Okay guys, so we got to a point now we were waiting for the battery to charge so we could drill this piece finish. So the side is completely drilled out now. Now we're just gonna put the mirror in and then tie it up, same on the other side. 3 10mm bolts, make sure the rubber is in the correct place, and yeah, we're just gonna time lapse it from here because we are kind of pinched by time. But yeah, so basically everything is in place now for the most part, and then we're gonna see how it goes. So here we go.
A few moments later.
Today's video, obviously this has been shot at a later stage because on the day we're quite busy and we completely forgot about it. So the end of the video, we fitted the mirrors, and I will show you guys the process on doing this. There was a few modifications we had to do on the actual door frame itself. We had to kind of drill the hole a little bit bigger or cut it depending on what you're going to use. We will show you guys how we've done that, and then obviously your 3 10mm, make sure your rubber is in place, tie that up, and the mirrors is done. So that was the end of today's video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for something new.